SRC's primary role, supplying remanufactured engines to the OEMs. So they'll be on-road trucks, industrial, and small section of the ag business. Steve Rippey, and I'm a manufacturing engineer here at SRC. I have worked here 35 years. If you're not machining from brand new and you're coming back in and remanufacturing, sometimes the tolerances are actually tighter and harder to hit. What SRC offers is a remanufactured engine versus a rebuilt engine, meaning all back to the same specifications that the original manufacturer was, which in turn creates some issues with how to machine them. The CNC machines and the Rottler machines that we are currently using, they're specific to our business. Meaning, when you remanufacture engines, there are certain things that some of the standard CNC type equipment is not capable of doing that Rottler has foreseen and put into their machines, and it has been a huge benefit for us to be able to utilize that. Makes our production faster. The tolerances are a whole lot easier to hit and consistent, and then just the day-to-day use, they just keep on going. The OEMs can then replace an engine and not have to sell parts all the time. The product is as good a quality as it was when it was out new to supply their engines back out to their dealerships. Currently today, we have an F98 and a 105 Rottler. Both of those are the large boring machines. Those machines both do the crankcases, decking, cylinder bore work. And then we have two hones, the H75 and the H85, and both of those are for apparent bore type crankcases that need the cylinders finished on them. And plateau honing is big in this industry. With the CNC capability, we've had to do some repairs that are not standard. We've done some front seal area type repairs. We've done some minor bolt hole and actually casting repairs on the product, just using the Rottler machine and using the CNC interpolation capabilities. We've been using Rottler machines, let's just say I've been here 35 years. They've been here right at that 35 years that I know of. We've been able to continually produce those required quality specifications due to the Rottler equipment.